Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. As you can see, I'm currently in the Accord, and we're about to go do some really primo stuff today. So we're gonna start with going over to Ace Hardware and meeting up with my boy Jarrett. You guys already know what that entails. That means we're gonna go over to the shop and go ahead and put on that diffuser, as well as weld up the rear quarter panels. So today's pretty exciting. Finally doing some stuff that I've been meaning to get to for a long time. Now I'll be able to drive in the rain without having my trunk completely soaked, and we'll get rid of all of that nasty sticky tape on the quarters, and it'll be nice and cleanly welded, and everything is going to be so nice. We probably need some primer and stuff too to spray onto there just to make sure that it doesn't rust again, but we're gonna go over now and check out and see what we need to do all of this stuff today, especially since we're mounting the rear diffuser. That's gonna be pretty awesome. It's gonna look so aggressive, but I want to make sure it's done right so that we can mount it properly. But yeah, without further ado, let's get today started. So this is kind of funny. My trunk's not open and it's been flickering, and this is like freaking out too. It's like, yo, your trunk's open. Although I don't know if you saw that. Yeah, actually, watch this. If I press the lever, it looks like it's the rear door, but I don't know what's going on. Oh, and it just keeps coming back. I don't like it. Anyways, let's get going. Yo, we out here at Ace Hardware.
How's it going,
boy?
dude?
What's up, dude? No
Ready
speakers? Do you just run headphones all the time?
Pretty much.
Yeah, that's
loud.
sick. I feel that.
Imagine a race car.
Dude, this thing's looking sick.
Thanks.
I've never seen it driving yet, so
Yeah.
that's
wow.
awesome.
You know, that really makes a difference.
Yeah, it's not quite done.
15 minutes.
All right, sounds good. He's rolling out. Woo! But yeah, guys, we just picked up the a couple of things that we need. One of them is the great stuff, just in case we need to add a little bit of extra foam in there so that it seals properly. We've got some primer just in case for that metal once we put it in, and we got a metal bar right here. It's kind of hidden. Yeah, we out here at the shop. Got the Accord out here.
So you switched from bags to coilovers?
Yep.
Which one do you like better?
You know what? I think I like my coils a lot more.
Really?
Yeah, they're always balanced, so I don't have to worry about like, oh, what pressure am I at? Because I had pressure problems, you know.
I remember you had to like sit there with the remote. And...
Yeah, it was kind of a pain. And then the fronts were just a pain too, so.
Dude, the fronts are great.
Just the OG. Referring about Rue here.
What's up, Tucker?
So,
How's it
how's
going?
it going?
This thing's actually pretty cool.
So my car is broken for any of you that don't know.
Yeah,
this
that's
is
why,
my this
that's
is not
why there's
mine.
no Yada.
This is my roommate's car. I'm picking up the fender for my car.
Yeah, for sure.
My car got backed into yesterday.
Dude, rest in peace to Accord.
I like it, dude.
Holy shit.
Ripperino.
What's going on here?
But yeah, no, you got this for
Might have to steal that V6 badge there, huh?
it's perfect. Me,
Oh shit,
dang
dude.
shit.
So did you find wrap for it yet?
I have not found a wrap, but I think
Is this the old one?
this is Zion's old one.
That's what I'm saying.
So
Sick.
it's clean.
It's very clean.
Or get tucked with 2 C's.
It's thick with 2 C's.
It's thick with 2 C's. But yeah, no, I think, don't tell your YouTube this.
Alright guys, so I have torn off both of the fenders. They're sitting right there. Gonna go ahead and tear off all of this tape now. That's what's in the way. As soon as we get all of this done, then we can start welding all of these, and then it'll be filled up. So that'll be pretty primo.
Oh my God.
So guys, we just pulled this off of that Mustang over there, right there. So this is the little vent piece on the side. I think, and this is just a concept, but something like this could look really cool. Not flush on the body, but then also building out a portion right here. That could be sick. I don't know, I kind of dig it. All right, you guys saw that grinder. It's not doing any good and it's being charged right now. So we're just gonna go pick up a quarter one from Harbor Freight and just get this job done. But yeah, we're taking the CRZ today. Woohoo! It's gonna be sick. Let's do it. These are interesting door handles too, by the way.
Yeah, they do.
Sick. We're out here at Harbor Freight.
No, we're good. Got my mask.
Woo! Let's go pick up that angle grinder. All right, some tools. Got some tools over here. What are we looking for? Angle grinder, some saws, and found it.
I think we're okay with what we got.
So as you guys saw right there, that's where the leak is. That's where all the water is just shooting up straight from the bumper and going straight into the trunk there. So yeah, we're sealing all of that up. It's gonna be primo. Shout out to these guys right here. Fuck yeah. But yeah, getting work done today. Also, the diffuser's hanging on the wall right there. There she is. We're gonna try to get that on as well today. So we'll see how far we get. Alrighty guys, so we are pretty much done. This is not the final product, it's just we ran out of time today. I'm going on that 2-week road trip starting tomorrow, so when I come back, you guys will be seeing this after I come back, so it really doesn't matter. But when I come back, we're actually going to be doing a lot of fixing on this. We're going to flex seal it, make it all nice and clean. But right now, I've got some spray foam in there, kind of primered it a little bit just so it doesn't rust if it starts raining out here. It'll be okay. And then we're gonna take it all back down to nothing, flex seal it, and then it'll be super nice and primo. It'll be hardened too, so it'll be really nice. But right now I'm putting the car back together, and then we're gonna head over to the meet for just a tad because I still have to do some editing, and I also have to finish up packing. I haven't packed yet. So yeah, all right, let's get this flare back on. Woo-hoo-hoo. And it's gonna look so much cleaner without tape everywhere, so that's super nice. Alright guys, huge shout out to Nick for welding. That's my boy right there. What's up? Yo. Got Taylor out here as well. Got this loud ass motherfucker. What's good, what's good? Shout out to Jared.
Fucking Tesla tablet.
Oh yo, dude, that's kinda sick.
Hey, don't.
The tape. The 300 is warming up. We're headed out of here. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.